Hi, I'm Kareem Toussaint. I joined Liberty Aid in December, and here's proof of one of my trusts. And here is the affidavit. How I first learned about trust was scrolling through TikTok, and that wasn't enough lucrative information. So I did some more research on YouTube, and then I came across Liberty Aid, and the bundle that I purchased was the Mastery bundle, where I learned about accounting for business and how to finance a business, how to create credit for a business, and everything that you truly need. And John McKeag is a great teacher, and he'll walk you through, and he even has lives on every Thursday answering everybody's question. And if you really want to protect your wealth and want to create generational wealth, you start with a trust. And this is something that I shared with people in my family, especially my mother, and we have more than 4 trusts in our family name. And let me see. Like I said, it's like an online mentor. It's like you have a mentor who's online with you, who answers any of your questions live on Thursday. And I feel like I can teach anybody about this, and this has motivated me to work with others within the course as well too, to work on great projects, especially with financing, real estate as well, and keeping it through these guys, IRS. And yeah, I said I'm so grateful to find this information that I can keep generational land that is in my family's name protected. And I'm giving gratitude to John McKeag for personally being an online mentor, someone who can guide me. The videos are always there, and like I said, Thursday, if you have any questions, he's there to help you and guide you at Liberty Aid Academy. Thank you.